Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. My name is Fortuna. I'm the founder of a brand called It Really Works Vitamins. We're so confident that you'll have thicker hair within 90 days that we'll refund you if you don't. Check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. Get 10% off your first order with code MEN'SHEALTH10. And sign up for our free ebook where I share all the best tips on how to block DHT. In today's video, we are looking at Derma Rolling. Can it be used on its own? Or does it always need to be used with Minoxidil? Let's find out. We deliver worldwide and we're so sure that you'll love your results that we'll refund you if you don't. Get 10% off your... You may have heard that microneedling, also called Derma Rolling, may help to assist in the absorption of hair growth treatment Minoxidil. But can a DermaRoller work well on its own? A DermaRoller is a device made up of a handle and roller ball that's covered in needles. These needles, when pressed onto your skin and scalp, make small punctures, which have been found to cause your body to make more collagen and elastin, which can heal the skin and boost hair growth. You might also hear it being called collagen induction therapy. So, does microneedling alone help? In a 2017 study undertaken by Chinese scientists, they found that this could actually be the case. This was a randomized trial of electrodynamic microneedle combined with 5% minoxidil topical treatment. And they studied this on Chinese men who have androgenic alopecia. This was a 24-week study to evaluate the efficacy of treating Chinese male androgenetic alopecia using microneedling combined with 5% topical minoxidil solution. In this 24-week study, a total of 60 men were broken down into 3 equal groups. Group 1, 20 subjects, received topical 5% minoxidil twice per day. Group 2, 20 subjects, received microneedling treatments every 2 weeks, a total of 12 microneedling treatments. Group 3, also 20 subjects, received microneedling treatments every 2 weeks with 5% minoxidil twice a day. And the results were remarkable. The improvement in total hair density from baseline to 24 weeks resulted in the following. Group 1, topical 5% minoxidil, had 18.8 centimeters squared. Group 2, microneedling only every 2 weeks, had a whopping 23.4 centimeters squared. Group 3, microneedling and minoxidil 5% had 38.3 centimeters squared. It's clear to see that microneedling with topical minoxidil 5% resulted in the best hair growth, but this study also confirms that microneedling by itself is more effective in regrowing hair than a standalone treatment of topical minoxidil 5%. Hi guys, it's editing me. I just wanted to jump in before the video ends because I wanted to clarify that when I'm talking about derma rolling here, it's really with professional derma rolling, where you go along to a clinic and a trained esthetician does the whole derma rolling treatment for you. Please do not do your own derma rolling. I have been reading articles upon articles about this where experts tell you do not do this at home. I feel on YouTube it's a bit of the Wild West where people tell you you can try this and do this and do this. Really, you're going to need a trained esthetician to do this for you. The idea of getting needles and sticking them in your own scalp and your own face just boggles the mind. These needles need to be completely sterile. If they're dirty or dusty or anything like that, can cause serious infection. And at the moment, the FDA is expected to regulate home microneedling devices. There are so many things that can go wrong with this. You need to use, sterilize it using boiling water. God knows what could happen, what kind of reaction you could get by putting needles into your scalp. You can end up with infection, permanent scarring. You can have a breakout of herpes, cold sores. The list goes on. I'm going to put in a couple of links from some well-known British newspapers where they tell you that this is so dangerous. I cannot tell you enough, remind you enough. Don't do this at home. Just don't do it, guys. Oh my God, don't do it. Remember, It Really Works vitamins are here for you. You don't need to do anything this severe. Check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. We offer free worldwide shipping and we're here for you guys. We've got so many fantastic 5-star reviews and free worldwide shipping to most destinations. I love you guys and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Bye for now. Mwah.